version of the Urus, right? So it has a lot of the same kind of characters, but also very different.
Inside is really beautiful. For an Audi, it's a beautiful car. It's a little bit... It's not bad. So this is the baby version of yours.
Yeah, but it is the biggest version of the
Audi.
The best version of the Q8. It's not the SQ8. This is the RSQ8. It's the first time Audi has brought an RS SUV to the States.
Is like bigger inside than yours?
No, honestly, it's about the same.
I think the back...
Size feels the same. I feel like mine, overall here, it feels bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, for some reason it does that. Feel like that. I do like the center screen they have going on here. Pretty nice. It has the same kind of idea.
Yours, yeah.
It's the same kind of idea, obviously, because it's the same software, but different. The shifters here, mine has that crazy funky shifter on the Urus. I think that's really cool on the Urus. Also, the Urus interior feels a lot more extravagant, a little bit more crazier.
Even the seats is better.
Yeah, more the leather. Like this is these armrests are like vinyl. They don't even look like real leather. See, this is like cloth. Mine is like suede.
I think, but you can choose an option. You don't think so?
Probably there's options. This car starts at like 118,000, I think. Starts probably goes up to like 150. Power wise, this is a detuned motor compared to mine. So mine does 640 stock. This one does like 590 something.
You feel the difference.
You definitely feel the difference. As far as transmission, kind of feels the same. The Urus has more modes. You know, the Strada Sport. This has looks like just this RS mode. Yeah, one mode, RS mode.
The muffler doesn't sound like crazy. If you hear
the Urus has more like the backfire burble noise for sure. It's definitely a much tamer version of the Urus.
For the price, I think it's a little bit expensive. I will tell you the reason why. So, X6 or the GLE 63 is a really beautiful car. To be honest,
those are like 150, 160.
No, GLE 63S is like 100. Close to 130,000.
Okay, fine. So that's comparable to this.
Yes, I think you have to, because GLE X6.
You're right.
You have to compare with this car.
Let's ask the viewers if they would rather have a GLE 63,
GLE 63 X6 comp,
or
this one. I think
RSQ8. Yeah. So the Urus is definitely more expensive than all of those. So we're not going to compare it. I would pick a Urus over all of these any day. This car's comfy though. My car's definitely a little bit more rough.
I understand, like, it's comfy and everything, but for the 150,000, they have to put a little bit more.
You have to understand, Audi can't make this like the Urus because then they're just competing with their own other cars, so it doesn't make sense. But the armrest is exactly the same. The buttons, all that's exactly the same.
This part is the same.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
I think I like the shifter better.
No. So mine has no shifter. I think it's really clean that it doesn't have a shifter. It's just that thing there.
The Lambo original thing on it.
I think that's really nice.
If you buy a Lambo, you have to drive fast.
No, you don't.
The youngsters only buy Lambos.
You don't see old people. You don't have to drive any car fast.
Yes, you buy Audi, but Lambo, it has to be a young, successful guy to drive it.
Sure, whatever you say. What about guys with fake 850i's?
It's coming to the success.
Oh,
it's almost there.
So you're almost successful.
Almost, like 2 steps.
Oh wow. What's the next step for you?
Having a business, and the second step.
But how are you gonna have a business when you can't even work somewhere properly?
That's why my mind is trying to open up a business.
That's good. Thanks.
Like my ideas having.
I'll let everybody know that.
Is that the new Bronco?
We have 12 of these at the shop, and you don't know what it looks like?
I cannot see far. I think I'm having.
And you want to have your own business?
Sure. Why not? People cannot see the far. They still have a business.
You can't see from here what that is. Okay. See if the sticker thing's in there.
Okay. Yes.
There it is.
Owner, I got approved from Vik. So. No, bro, it's 124,000.
It could still have more options and be almost probably 150.
So the comp is 123,000 with bar and Wilkins.
Let me see what options it has. The paint is $600 extra. It has the blackout package, $3,200. Sport exhaust, which doesn't really sound that sporty to me. Night vision assist is $2,250.
So destination charge they charge $1,100. That sucks.
I'm sure you could get another 20 grand of packages easy. I thought the RSQ8, like the RS, is gonna make this way more like racy.
Crazy to sound on it.
Honestly, it's the same size as the Urus, inside and out, and I think it's a great size for a daily driver. So
yeah, daily
it's a great car. Look, to me, I still rather have this over, well, maybe the Mercedes.
No, Mercedes.
BMW, I don't care.
No, the X6.
Maybe the Mercedes or this, but I still love the Audi technology. I don't know. I think the Audis are very nice. I would probably pick this car over the other two. No, but I would definitely tune this and do some stuff.
What else you can do on this?
ABT has this crazy limited edition wide body for it, but it starts at like 50 grand. All right, bye. Beautiful Ferrari 812 stock, bone stock car. It is stop and start is active, so the engine just shut off. A V12 motor that has, I don't know, 700 horsepower, has an automatic start and stop. It's in race mode too, so that's kind of weird. Oh well. This car is in because we're going to wrap it. We're going to do a Nardo gray wrap, gloss. It's going to look great on this car. Has black wheels already, yellow brake calipers, yellow stitching inside, so perfect combination for Nardo gray. We're going to be lowering it on Novitec springs, and we're going to space out the stock wheels. So we're not doing wheels on this, even though I would love to. The wheels are kind of dope though, so we're going to space them out. When we lower it, we're going to try and make them as flush as possible, aggressive, and we're going to install also a titanium exhaust system. As you guys know, 812s really need the exhaust system because it makes it sound like an F1 car.
Your Ferrari, dude.
Why do you have your mask on?
Hey. What? God! I didn't even realize. I just got in the car. Thank you.
Looks good.
Looks great. Thank you.
No problem. You dropped off the Tesla.
Yeah.
So I'll do that. That'll be ready tomorrow.
And I'll bring you the Ferrari.
Tomorrow, or you want to wait?
I'll probably bring it next week.
Whenever. I'll have that done tomorrow and whenever you want.
You're the man. Thank you.
No problem, bro. You too. That was Alejandro Salamandran, obviously a longtime friend and customer of RDB, and we just did wheels on his Aston Martin, wheels that he designed. So all three of his cars are getting wheels. He dropped off his Tesla. We're gonna be doing wheels on that next, and after that is the Ferrari. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing all of his cars with wheels, and let's get this puppy on the alignment rack so we can get it started. Sarkis, you look better with this long cape, you know?
I look better than anyone.
I look better than anyone.
Because it's me, Sarkis. That's me.
By the way, did you think I'm not gonna watch my own video?
For what?
You'll see what.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know what you did. Okay.
I was late. He's better than me.
So I have a gift for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's a bonus for you. You owe me $300 now.
Why? What is that?
You don't think I was gonna catch you?
I don't know.
For the monitor, you and Mansory split it, and you came and jacked it from the cash register. I'm not gonna watch my own videos.
Why are you watching it?
So now you have to give me $300 now.
What is that?
Is it illegal to the boss watches?
It's on YouTube.
Everybody watches. What are you talking about? Moses, you know that $200 he gave you? He stole it from the company with cash register.
Really? I don't know.
So this is a bill for him.
You seriously took it from there?
I thought we were one family.
What do you mean? I thought we were one family.
So I can use your paycheck to pay for car parts?
Sure.
There's cameras everywhere.
There's a camera on top of your head. What were we thinking, man? So yeah, you can either give it to me now or I'll just take it out of your paycheck next time.
And I was gonna help you
Is
next
there
time.
like 30-year financing you can do?
Oh my god.
Why would you take it then?
Because I thought you gave it to me from your pocket.
Wow.